Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, so I got a new mannequin. I'm gonna start selling wigs, and who better than for me to do my mannequin's makeup. So to start off, I'm using the COLOURPOP foundation, and this is in the color Dark 180. So what we're gonna do with this is just place it all over the face like we would do our natural skin. The only difference is that because it's not real skin, there's no warmth and there's no way for it to really oxidize into the pores or anything like that. So we just have to blend it out to the best of our ability with the brush. So again, just like how we would do our natural face, we're gonna highlight the T-zone, and we're gonna do this with our Makeup Forever concealer in the color Y33. Okay, so to blend out that concealer, we're using our Real Techniques flat brush. I don't know the exact name, so don't quote me on it, but it got the job done. It's a flat brush with a little point. I got it in like a set at Ulta. Perfect for blending out the concealer. So when doing the mannequin's face, what you want to do is just turn her from side to side just to make sure each side is blended correctly, because it's so easy to forget, trust me. Okay, so I wanted to brighten her up a bit. I mean, because, like, why not? And this is another Makeup Forever concealer. I don't know exactly what the color is. I'll put it in the description box below. But we're going to put that everywhere where we placed the concealer the first time. What we're going to do different is carve out that cheekbone. Okay, now you see that highlight and that high cheekbone? That's the goal. That's what we're aiming for. Okay, and before we get off track, we are setting that highlight with our Mercier translucent powder. And just like normal, we're placing it in all the areas where we placed that concealer. So off topic, like, was I sitting in the sun all summer? Like, my hands got really tan. Okay, anyways, back on topic. We're doing our contour right now. This is with the Makeup Forever face powder. Description box, exactly what it is. We're using a lot of Makeup Forever today. Okay, you see that? The sunrise on the forehead, the chiseled cheekbones, it's perfect. Alright, so now we're just gonna dust it all off. You see how bomb that looks? For her brows now, I really like how the manufacturer did her brows, so I didn't change it. I just cleaned up underneath, and then I just went ahead and blended out that concealer. What I did do with the brow was remove product off of the tail of it and just left that lighter effect in the front. Okay, so for the eyes, we applied the base, which was our P. Louise eyeshadow base in the color RUMOUR 3. Then we went in with a purple shade from our JUVIAS Place palette. We're also going to use our Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie AINA palette. And what we're doing with that lighter pink is just going to blend it in with that purple. We're trying to get, like, you know, that transition color. Okay, so now we're just applying glue, and I'm applying it a little above her natural crease. This is where we're gonna place our glitter. Where did I get this glitter from? I believe it was Amazon. It was a while ago because it came with like 50 different colors of glitter. Yeah, I believe it was Amazon. Okay, I know she looks crazy, but I left that space at the bottom available for a reason. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I did go ahead and begin to smudge out that waterline. I used the same colors that I used on the lid. I also placed her lashes on. And then I began to clean up underneath that brow because that shadow did start to, you know, overpower. So we're just going back to clean it up. Okay, so at this point, baby girl does not even need a wig, okay? But we're using that same Sugar Pill eyeshadow as blush. And then we're using our Inglot loose highlighting powder. Okay, so we're just gonna finish off with the lips. I use a ColourPop foundation in the color 190. It was difficult for me, so I just lined it out, and then I just put translucent powder, and it just turned out bomb.